doesn't want a product to fail early. If a product fails early, it's not being cost effective.
Success of the product starts from design.
It's about the concept, it's about the design, it's about the test and development and the production, and that's all happened before we've even sold a machine to a customer.
This is the whole process, so it's a long process, but it is what makes the difference at the end.
We wouldn't put our name to anything substandard, which gives the customers the assurance of the warranty, the quality and the backup and support that others just can't offer.
Our parts are very different, even if they look like all the same. In reality, they are very different, and the difference comes from the process that we use to design, develop and validate, and then of course the manufacturing side. So we know exactly what goes out in the field, and the stability and the constant quality.
It's important for us to have the suppliers involved right from the very start of the design procedure, really, right through to the final testing and validation.
From the raw material, that obviously we buy, down to the finished product, to the painting. All the processes are under basically our control, and that is a big value in making sure that the parts are consistently made according to the design, of course, and meet the requirements.
What you can see on a JCB induction hardened product is equal hardening throughout. That might not be in existence with other products or other manufacturer parts because they don't have the reliability and the consistent manufacturing processes that we've invested in and we work with our partners to deliver.
Sometimes on the low-cost products you have maybe let's say good heat treatment, but you cannot use it because the leakage will be the limiting factor of the products. Or the opposite, you will have, let's say, a good sealing, but then the wear is not there, balancing the steel properties, the heat treatment properties, the properties of the seal groups that keep the lubrication in the parts, really gives a product where whatever we spend on it is then used by the customer.
Obviously, testing is very important. Firstly, in the quarry we would test to make sure that we've got a product or components that will last in the marketplace. Secondly, we would do testing inside the factory with quality, ensuring that we've got the right product coming into the factory once it's been signed off by the engineers.
Testing is really important to us because although simulation is very useful for determining if the tracks are going to be durable enough and going to run smoothly enough, nothing beats actually testing in all the different conditions that our machines operate in. So the customer will really feel the benefit of this testing procedure that we go through. We're minimising the risks to them of downtime of the machines because the component failures or if the tracks fall off the machine, detrack. The customer should also then receive the lowest in-cab vibration as well to make sure that it's comfortable for a full day's work.
You have then to consider what will be the cost of maintenance in case something happens. You would need to consider the cost when you need to replace products. So if you sum all this up, you will see that at the end the total cost will be lower with the products that we give because they really allow you to go to the longest time without maintenance and without replacing the parts, and being also able to use the machine at the top of their performance.
The reason why we buy tracks and parts and genuine parts is for the reliability and quality.
You should trust JCB parts because they have been designed in-house. They've also gone through our own test and development program at our own research facilities in-house. That is important because it's about the complete package, ensuring not just one component, but all the components together work in synergy and give our customers the quality and the performance they need.
There are a combination of parts inside that one carrier's design, whether it be the tracks and the rollers, and just buying one part, non-JCB, could actually cause some interface between that design and it could detract on the quality, it could be the ride quality or the noise quality of that machine.
Quality and reliability, ensuring that the product does exactly what it says on the tin and there is no unscheduled downtime.
We do truly believe you get what you pay for, especially when it comes to tracks and track running gear. These are high value components. They have the entire forces of the machine constantly working through them. But because of the reliability of them from JCB, you rarely look at them until you have to replace them. So why replace with anything less?
Fit it, forget it, it lasts.